What if your kitchen island could do more than just give you extra space? What if it could change the way you cook, entertain, and even relax? In 2025, kitchen islands are no longer just a place to prep meals. They're becoming the centerpiece of your entire kitchen. From sleek, modern designs to islands with built-in features that make life easier, the trends are all about style and function. Ready to discover the top trending kitchen island designs that will transform your kitchen? Let's dive in. 1. The floating minimalist island. Let's begin with one of the most trending kitchen island designs for 2025, the floating minimalist island. This design is perfect for people who love clean spaces and modern style. At first look, it seems like the island is floating in the air. That's because the legs or support base are hidden, giving it a light and open look. This makes your kitchen feel bigger and less crowded. It works really well in small kitchens or open layouts where space matters. The surface is usually smooth and flat, made of simple materials like wood or stone. Some even come in matte finishes, which are very trendy right now. Even though it looks simple, this island is very useful. Inside, it has storage that you can't see right away. You can keep your kitchen tools, dishes, or dry food tucked away behind clean panels. Some floating islands also have built-in drawers or open shelves at the bottom for extra space. It keeps your kitchen neat and helps reduce mess on the counters. You can even add a few stools to make it a breakfast bar. It's stylish, space-saving, and great for daily use. This design is all about less clutter and more calm. If you like soft tones and open space, this island is for you. And the best part? It blends with almost any kitchen color or layout. But if you think that's impressive, just wait until you see the next kitchen island style. It's not only beautiful, it's also smart, with built-in technology that changes how you cook and live in your kitchen. 2. Smart kitchen islands with built-in technology. Now let's talk about something really exciting: smart kitchen islands. In 2025, technology is not just for phones and TVs. It's now part of your kitchen too. Smart islands are becoming a big trend, and they are full of helpful features that make cooking easier and faster. These islands come with built-in charging ports for your phone or tablet. Some even have wireless charging spots on the countertop. You can just place your phone there, and it starts charging, no wires needed. Many smart islands also include touch screens. You can look up recipes, watch cooking videos, or even control your smart oven or fridge from the island. It's like having a little computer in your kitchen. Another great feature is motion sensor lighting. The lights turn on when you walk near the island and turn off when you leave. This saves energy and looks modern. Some designs also have voice control. You can say, "Turn on the lights," or "Start the timer," and the island does it for you. That's really helpful when your hands are full while cooking. Smart islands are not just about tech, they also look clean and stylish. Most have smooth surfaces and hidden screens, so everything feels neat. You still get storage space, and some even have built-in coolers or mini fridges for drinks. This kind of island is perfect for people who love new gadgets, or want their kitchen to be more modern and easy to use. It saves time, reduces mess, and adds fun to your cooking. And if you think that's clever, wait till you see the next design. It has 2 levels, and it's made for both cooking and relaxing. 3. Double-tiered kitchen islands for work and relaxing. Now let's look at a very smart and stylish idea: the double-tiered kitchen island. This design is perfect for people who want a space that can do 2 things at once. In 2025, many homeowners want their kitchens to be useful and comfortable. And this island does both. A double-tiered island has 2 levels. One level is lower and used for cooking, cutting, and preparing food. The second level is higher and made for eating, chatting, or even working on a laptop. It's like having a small dining table built into your island. You can cook on one side and relax on the other. This is great for families or people who like to have friends over. While you cook, others can sit and talk to you. This design also helps keep things tidy. The higher level hides the mess on the cooking side, so your kitchen always looks clean. You can also add stools or chairs to the upper part, making it feel like a small cafe inside your home. Some people even use the upper level as a space for kids to do homework while dinner is being made. Double-tiered islands often come in beautiful styles. You can mix two materials, like wood on one level and stone on the other. This makes the island look modern and special. It also adds a nice design touch to the kitchen. If you like the idea of multitasking, this island is perfect for you. It gives you more space and makes your kitchen feel warm and welcoming. And up next, we'll show you an island that's not just for food. It keeps your drinks cool and ready to go. Let's see how that works. 4. Kitchen islands with built-in beverage centers. Now let's move to something fun and super useful. Kitchen islands with built-in beverage centers. This design is perfect for people who love to entertain guests, or just enjoy a cold drink anytime. In 2025, more and more kitchens are adding this feature, and it's becoming a favorite choice for homeowners. A beverage center is like a small drink station built right into your island. It usually includes a mini fridge or a wine cooler. Some also have a drawer-style cooler where you can keep water, juice, soda, or even wine bottles. This means no more running to the main fridge every time someone wants a drink. You can also add a small sink or an ice maker to your beverage center. This makes it easy to mix drinks or prepare coffee without using the main kitchen area. It's great when you have guests, because they can help themselves without getting in the way of your cooking. The design of these islands still looks clean and modern. All the drink storage is hidden behind doors or drawers, so your kitchen stays neat. Some islands even have open shelves for cups, mugs, or stylish glassware. This makes everything easy to reach and adds a nice touch to the space. These islands are perfect for parties, family dinners, or even just relaxing at home. Kids can grab their drinks, and adults can enjoy a coffee or cocktail. It's a small feature that makes a big difference. And if you like something that saves space while still looking beautiful, the next kitchen island will surprise you. It's slim, smart, and perfect for tight areas. Let's take a look at that next. 5. Slim and space-saving kitchen islands. Now let's talk about a kitchen island that is perfect for small spaces. The slim and space-saving island. Not every kitchen is big, and that's okay. In 2025, many new island designs are made to fit into tight areas while still being super useful. These islands are narrow and long. They don't take up much room, but they still give you extra space to work, cook, or eat. You can use them to chop veggies, mix ingredients, or even serve snacks. Some slim islands have wheels, so you can move them around when you need more space. That's great for small apartments or homes with open floor plans. Even though they are small, these islands often come with smart storage. You might find pull-out drawers, hidden shelves, or hooks on the side to hang utensils and towels. Some also have drop-leaf designs. This means you can fold part of the surface up or down when you need more room. The look of slim islands is also very clean and modern. Many come in soft colors like white, light gray, or warm wood tones. These colors make your kitchen feel brighter and more open. You can also add 1 or 2 stools to turn it into a little breakfast bar. Slim islands are perfect for people who want style and function in a small space. They prove that even a tiny kitchen can be beautiful and useful. And speaking of beautiful, coming up next is a kitchen island made with natural stone that turns your kitchen into a luxury space. Let's check that out. 6. Natural stone kitchen islands for a luxury look. Now let's look at something elegant and timeless. Natural stone kitchen islands. In 2025, this style is one of the top choices for homeowners who want a rich and classy kitchen. These islands are not just beautiful. They are also strong and long-lasting. Natural stone gives your kitchen a high-end look. Materials like marble, granite, or quartz are very popular this year. Each piece of stone has its own color and pattern, so your island will always look unique. No two stone islands are exactly the same. The smooth surface is great for baking, rolling dough, or serving food. It's easy to clean and won't get damaged easily. Some stone islands also have waterfall edges. That means the stone flows down the sides like water. It adds a very modern and expensive touch to your kitchen. These islands also come in many colors. You can go with classic white marble, bold black granite, or soft beige quartz. All of these look great with wooden cabinets or gold handles. The mix of textures makes your kitchen feel warm and stylish at the same time. Even though natural stone costs more than other materials, many people say it's worth it. It makes your kitchen stand out and can even increase your home's value. If you want a design that's both strong and stunning, this is a great choice. And up next, we'll look at a kitchen island that brings nature indoors. It's full of warmth, charm, and natural wood beauty. Let's explore that next. 7. Wooden kitchen islands for a warm, natural touch. Now let's explore wooden kitchen islands. In 2025, wood is making a big comeback in kitchens. It's warm, inviting, and perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. If you want a kitchen that feels comfortable and natural, a wooden island is a great choice. Wooden islands come in many types of wood, like oak, walnut, or maple. Each type has its own unique color and grain. Oak is light and bright, while walnut is dark and rich. These colors can match almost any kitchen style, from modern to farmhouse. Wooden islands also add texture and warmth to your space. They make the kitchen feel homey and relaxing. Some designs mix wood with other materials, like stone or metal, for a beautiful contrast. This creates a natural yet stylish look. Besides the beauty, wooden islands are also very functional. They provide lots of space for cooking, chopping, and even entertaining. You can add storage underneath, like shelves or drawers, to keep everything organized. Some islands even have a small wine rack or a built-in spice rack, perfect for cooking enthusiasts. Wooden islands also fit well in open kitchens or kitchens that blend into living areas. They bring a natural, earthy feel that can help calm the atmosphere. And the best part? They get better with time. The wood ages beautifully and develops a rich patina that gives your kitchen even more character. If you're someone who loves nature and wants to bring that feeling into your home, a wooden island is the perfect addition. But if you're looking for something with even more space and style, wait until you see our next island design. It's perfect for people who need plenty of room and want a bold, unique look. Let's check it out next. 8. Multifunctional kitchen islands with extra space. Next up, let's talk about multifunctional kitchen islands. These islands are perfect for people who need more than just a place to cook. In 2025, many kitchens are designed to do a lot more, and these islands are a big part of that trend. A multifunctional island has extra features that make it super useful. Some islands have a built-in sink, so you can wash vegetables or clean up while you cook. Others come with a stovetop, so you can cook directly on the island, saving space in the rest of the kitchen. Some even have a dishwasher built right in, which saves time and keeps everything tidy. These islands also offer lots of storage. You might find deep drawers, pull-out shelves, or even hidden compartments for your kitchen tools and gadgets. Some designs even include a section for recycling bins or trash, keeping everything out of sight and organized. Another great feature of multifunctional islands is their ability to create extra seating. You can add stools on one side, turning the island into a breakfast bar or a casual dining area. This makes the island a social space where family and friends can gather while you cook. With so many options, multifunctional islands are great for big families or people who love to entertain. They make your kitchen more efficient and help keep everything in one place. So if you want an island that does it all, this design is a perfect fit. Now, if you want something that stands out and makes a statement, stay tuned. Our next island style is bold and full of personality. You won't want to miss it. 9. Bold and statement-making kitchen islands. Now let's look at bold and statement-making kitchen islands. These islands are perfect for people who want their kitchen to have a strong personality. In 2025, many homeowners are choosing islands that stand out and grab attention. A bold island might use bright colors, like navy blue, deep green, or even bright yellow. These colors give your kitchen a fun and modern vibe. Some islands are made with unique materials, like glass, metal, or even concrete. These materials make the island look different from anything else in your kitchen. Another way to make an island bold is through its shape. Instead of the usual rectangular island, you can find circular, L-shaped, or even asymmetric designs. These shapes bring a new, creative touch to the kitchen. They can help break up the lines and make the space feel fresh. Statement islands also play with texture and design. You might find islands with carved details, intricate patterns, or a mix of materials that create a wow factor. This makes the island not just functional but also a piece of art in your kitchen. Bold islands are perfect for people who want their kitchen to feel exciting and unique. They add personality to the space and make it feel more lively. And if you love standing out with your home design, this is definitely a trend to watch. But don't go anywhere. Up next, we have an island that brings both beauty and smart design into one. It's elegant, sleek, and full of practical features. Let's take a look. 10. Sleek and modern minimalist kitchen islands. Finally, let's talk about sleek and modern minimalist kitchen islands. This style is all about clean lines, simplicity, and a smooth, uncluttered look. In 2025, many homeowners are choosing minimalist designs for their kitchens because they make spaces feel calm and spacious. A minimalist island usually has a very simple, smooth surface with no extra decorations. It's often made of materials like sleek marble, polished concrete, or smooth wood. The design is simple, with no visible handles or too many details. This gives your kitchen a modern, elegant feel. These islands focus on function. The storage is hidden, and the space is used wisely. You might find drawers that open with a gentle push or smart compartments to keep things out of sight. The goal is to keep everything neat and organized, so your kitchen always looks clean. Minimalist islands are also perfect for smaller kitchens because they help make the space feel bigger. The clean design makes everything look open and airy. Even in a small room, a minimalist island can make a big impact without overwhelming the space. If you love simplicity and want your kitchen to feel peaceful and stylish, this design is perfect for you. It's elegant, timeless, and perfect for modern living. And that wraps up our tour of the top kitchen island designs for 2025. From tech-savvy islands to natural wooden ones, there's a style for every kitchen. Whether you need function, style, or both, these islands will make your space work better and look amazing. Kitchen islands in 2025 are all about blending versatility, style, and functionality. Whether you're seeking a space-saving solution, a bold focal point, or an island that offers extra storage and seating, there's an option for every kitchen. From natural stone to sleek minimalist designs, these islands do more than just serve as cooking stations. They elevate your entire kitchen. Each design brings its own unique advantages. Some are perfect for smaller spaces, while others provide ample room for entertaining and cooking. The materials you choose, whether wood, stone, or modern metals, can completely transform the atmosphere and efficiency of your space. Whatever your style, there's a kitchen island that will enhance both your cooking experience and your kitchen's functionality. So, which design will you choose? Start planning your ideal island today. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen inspiration. Let's turn your dream kitchen into a reality.